This 2024 Coachmen Leprechaun 319 megabytes Ford 450 is a Class C RV. It is located in Ocala, Florida, 34473 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, slide-out, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. This 2024 Coachmen Leprechaun 319 megabytes Ford 450 is built on a Ford 450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.